Hey everyone, and welcome back to CraftiWorks. Today we're getting into the festive spirit with a super cute and easy to make Christmas card. We're going to be using embroidery to create a beautiful floral design that's perfect for the holiday season. First, let's draw a circle on the card using a pencil. Then I'm adding some simple leaf shapes around the circle to create a floral design. You can get as creative as you like with your design, but I'm keeping it simple for this tutorial. Now it's time to add some color. I'm using green acrylic paint to fill in the leaves. You can use any color you like, but I think green is a perfect choice for a festive Christmas card. Once the paint is dry, we're going to poke holes around the circle where we want our flowers to be. I'm using my embroidery needle to make the holes. Now let's thread our needle with the red embroidery floss. Don't forget to knot the end of the floss to secure it. Bring your needle up through the card at one of the holes. Wrap the thread around the needle 4 or 5 times, and then insert the needle back down through the card close to the starting point. Pull the thread gently to tighten the knot and form a flower. You can adjust the size of your French knots by changing the number of times you wrap the thread around the needle. I'm going to add some small beads around the flowers. This embroidered card is a perfect way to spread some holiday cheer. It's a beautiful and unique gift that's sure to be appreciated by anyone who receives it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CraftiWorks for more crafty inspiration. Happy stitching and happy holidays!